Hi everyone, this is Stuart. At Trafalgar, we know a bow tie isn't just an accessory, it's a statement. And for the gentleman who values both polish and ease, our pre-tied bow ties offer the perfect finishing touch for any formal occasion. Whether you're headed to a graduation, wedding, interview, or even a first date, Trafalgar's bow ties bring a sense of occasion and undeniable style. Each one is crafted from 100% silk and features adjustable sizing from 14.5 to 20 inches for comfort that lasts all day. Trafalgar pre-tied bow ties are very easy to use, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick step-by-step guide on how to wear them. Along the strap, you'll see a set of numbers and eyelets, as well as a T-shaped metal clip. The numbers correspond to neck size, and the eyelets are openings for the metal clip to slide in to adjust to your size. First, flip your collar up and wrap the bow tie around your neck. Find your most comfortable fit, then insert the T-shaped metal clip into the eyelet to lock it into place. Now, hook the front metal clasp to the sliding loop on the strap. This holds your bow tie in position. Fold your collar down, make a quick adjustment to center the bow, and just like that, you're ready to go. Mastering the bow tie has never been simpler. We've designed our pre-tied bow ties to be effortless and elegant. Explore Trafalgar's collection to find your signature style. From bold colors to timeless patterns, each piece is designed to elevate your look with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and comment below. Plus, don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips from Trafalgar. See you next time.